Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If iPhone camera is shaking and making some noise, it happened on Snapchat or WhatsApp camera. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue after the latest update of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch Snapchat and sign into your account. That use the front camera. Now force close the Snapchat app, relaunch, use the back camera, force close Snapchat, launch again, and you are not longer to face this issue. If the still present, then we move to some other solutions. Now we are going to check the camera setting under privacy. Launch settings and tap privacy. Here we are going to tap on camera and turn off camera for all the apps, WhatsApp and Snapchat as well. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After that, go back to settings again, privacy, camera, and turn on camera for all the app. And also what we have to do, tap and hold App Store, tap on updates. Now check the list. If there is any update available for WhatsApp, Snapchat and the Facebook, then update the apps. In the end, what we have to do, we have to launch settings, tap transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again, reset all settings to confirm. That's it. By doing this step, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.